Hey guys, let's see. This thing's been bothering me for a while. This is my rear hatch. It refuses to stay up or even go up on its own. When it gets up here, it stays up. That's cool. But in really, really cold weather, which is like what we've been having, no, it doesn't stay up. So, I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to go like this. If I can, I'm going to go to the other side and go like this. There we go. Okay. I take this little screwdriver. With a little clip. That was easy. These are screwed. See? Now in theory, if I take this off, that one will hold it up when I undo that one. We'll see. Oh, that didn't work. Oh my God, that's so refreshing. Ah! Holy crap! Well, that's that. I will be providing the part number for these in the description. More is coming. This is A for Hachi signing off.